Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon in bright white with LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, Power Color Freedom Top 3-piece, LED tail lamps, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 43,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, RockTrack HD part-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 66818.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.